this is a practical to find out the refractive index of glass. For this practical we need a cardboard or prism board and a glass slab, 4 pins, plain papers and protector and scale. Now first put the paper on the cardboard and place the glass slab on this page or on this white paper and trace the edges of the base of this glass slab. Now place 2 pin with an angle of the base of the glass slab. Then we can see these 2 pins in the opposite side of the glass slab. Now take another 2 pins and put in a such a way that these 4 pins are in one single line, and then replace the glass prism and replace the 4 pins also and point the pin point as a P, another point is Q and R and S. Now join P and Q and extend up to the edge of the glass slab boundary, and similarly join these lines S and R and extend up to the edge of the another boundary. So this is the direction of our ray coming from PQ to R and S, and finally join these 2 intersections. So this is our actual path of light coming from P to S. Now draw perpendicular at the intersection. Let this is O and this is O and this is O dash. So draw 2 perpendicular at this intersection O and O dash. So these 2 are 2 perpendiculars, and this angle is called incident angle and this angle is R, refraction angle. So we are going to find out the refractive index. So from Snell's law, mu, that is refractive index, equals to sin I by sin R, where I is the incident angle and R is the refraction angle. So measure I with our protector. So in this experiment we get this is about 47. In our experiment I equals to about 47 degree and R equals to about 43. And using calculator we can get the value of mu. So using several I we can get several R, so we can get different value of mu, and taking the average of 3 or 4 values of mu we can get average value of mu.